Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give a little bit of explanation here for the bird chicks assignment that we have. So I have a few different pictures and names set up here for different examples of bird chicks. For each one, you want to say if the chick is altricial or precocial based on the picture. So remember, we talked about altricial are the ones that need more care, and precocial are the ones that are a little bit more able to take care of themselves from the get-go. Then you want to look in the information in a link that's provided for you and talk about how many adult birds help raise the chick in each example. So you can see here, when we look under the section where it says altricial or precocial, here it says how many adults care for the chicks, one, both, or the whole family. It'll be one of those three based on the examples I have. So you just click on a link, and each link is different for each bird because it's going to take you to a research page about that particular bird. So for example, let's say I was looking here at the African gray parrot. I click the link, and it takes me here to the animal diversity web page talking about reproduction in African gray parrots. So it's going to start talking about how the babies are created, really, the courtship displays and breeding and things like that. You may have to scroll down a little bit, hunt around, but it should be, in most cases, in the reproduction section, maybe the behavior section on some of them. But here it says, for example, after the young emerge from the nest, both parents feed, raise, and protect them. So in this case, you would know that for an African gray parrot, it would be both parents that help take care of it. Some of them might explain that it's the whole family that does, or just a single parent, either the mother or the father that takes care of the offspring. So that's all that you're putting for that one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 examples altogether. So for all 8 of those, you're just going to be answering both of those questions on there. So again, I hope that this one is pretty straightforward. If you do have any questions on this one, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can show up during our Zoom office hours every weekday, 9:30 to 10:30.